Cilantro could be a marvelous seasoning herb used all around the world to season food and add flavor. Used generally with sea salt, this tasty herb isn't solely well known, it's a healing powerhouse packed filled with advantages for anyone. Cilantro's benefits embrace skin care, full body detox, and organic process protection. However, what the majority of people don't understand is that coriander seeds that come from cilantro also are packed with superb health benefits. Coriander oil is additionally useful and will be added to anyone's essential oil assortment. Basically, cilantro in any is amazing is astounding for you. Cilantro benefits. Cilantro is full of vitamin A, vitamin K, folate, and potassium, and is a great source of dietary fiber. With all these added nutrients and almost no caloric value, cilantro is a perfect addition to any meal. Check out these cilantro benefits below. Cilantro soothes skin irritations. Cilantro is a great remedy for common skin irritations. It can be used externally and internally to treat hives, poison ivy, and sunburns. Cilantro is great to use against skin irritants because of its natural antihistamine properties. It naturally calms the immune system. This makes it perfect for use against skin flare-ups. Mix cilantro with coconut oil to soothe skin problems externally. Also, you can blend with water to gain even more cilantro benefits. Use the blended leaves topically and drink the remaining liquid. This is excellent for seasonal allergy symptoms, too. Colon cancer protection. According to the journal of Ethnopharmacology, coriander reduces the amount of cholesterol found in the colon. This also reduces the chance of colon cancer. Thus, adding cilantro to your meals may be a great way to keep your colon clean and healthy. Cilantro settles the stomach and improves digestion. Cilantro is perfect for resolving minor digestion issues and has been used for thousands of years. It is perfect for reducing bloating, preventing gas, and relieving nausea. Additionally, it is great for reducing heartburn and indigestion. This is true because cilantro's benefits include powerful enzymes that help the digestive system break down food. Cilantro often accompanies spicy food for this exact reason. Helps lower blood sugar levels. New animal studies have shown that cilantro is great at balancing high blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. Some investigators go so far as to say that cilantro could be used as a natural diabetes remedy. Additionally, cilantro supports healthy liver function. Overall, cilantro is an incredible herb to add to anyone's diet plan. From detoxing heavy metals to preventing and treating infections, cilantro is the way to go. It is very easy to find dried cilantro in your local grocery store, but fresh cilantro is always best. You can grow your own cilantro in an herb garden or find it at a local health store or farmer's market. Coriander seeds are much easier to find, and you can use them fresh or dried. Soak them or blend them in smoothies to pull out all the many benefits.